Hi guys, as you know, Evolution sent me one of those big chop saws for cutting metal. It's a fantastic saw. They now sent me the Evolution Mitre chop saw stand with power lift. I've got to look at this because I forget what it says. So basically it's a power lift. It can be wheeled around instead of just lifting that bulky saw, which is great, and getting it to your van or car or workshop, wherever you need to go. Stick it on this with the power lift, it brings it up, and hopefully we're going to build it for you and show you what it looks like with the saw on top. Hopefully somewhere around here there will be a code where you can get a discount. I think it's 5%, and I think the code is artful, so hopefully it'll be around here. If it's not there, it'll be here, and if it's not here, it'll be there. Okay, so hopefully I'll bring you back when we've sort of made it and let you have a look at what it's supposed to look like. Hopefully it will look something like that. Okay guys, as I mentioned earlier, Evolution has sent me this Mitre chop saw stand for the big, I think it's the 355 metal chop saw. It didn't take very long to put together. I think if I'd have followed the instructions it would have gone a lot quicker, but I think it's fairly simple. Most people can get it right, they can't. It's not hard to get wrong. So with that said, we just moved it out of the way, and I don't think it's turned out too bad. Apparently you can do cooking on it as well.
Doesn't mine look like that? Why must life be so hard?
Okay guys, back to being serious for a while. Right, as you can see, the Evolution stand, it's actually very compact. It's easy to move around. These two handles on this end, you just pick it up. It's just like a sack barrow. It takes up virtually no room when you're moving it around, and it stands perfectly, as you will see. On the front here, we've got a little handle that we can press in. Little handle in the front, and that will just release the gas ram, bringing the table up to a very nice working height. You can lock the table off with these little knobs on either side. Just a few turns in. Undo the little knobs on the ends, so you can raise it to whatever the height is of your metal, and also bring it out to accommodate for a longer piece of metal. As I say, bring it up to whatever you need it to be at. Just tighten those back up. It's at a nice working height, not too low, so you haven't got to break your back doing anything. Very, very sturdy. The only thing I think would be an improvement on it is the gas ram, if it had a little bit more pressure behind it, because when you actually go to lift it up, it would be nice if it lifted by itself, but other than that, I haven't found any faults with it yet. To lower it, undo those little wheels on either side, because you've got one either side. Pull them out, give it a slight push down with your arm. It just goes down to the lock position, you know when it's locked in. Takes up no room at all. Ideal for moving into tight spaces. Getting into a van would be absolutely easy. Taking it around your workshop, and it takes up less space in your workshop too. So I'm looking forward to using it in the future. So with that said, I think it's a great addition for the, I think it's the MC355, I think. I'll put in the comments if it is wrong, but I think it's going to be a great thing, and you'd be wise to get hold of one. As I say, hopefully up here there'll be another link to the Evolution website, as well as the discount code. I think it's 5% that I've been told. Other than that, go out and enjoy yourself. Enjoy cutting stuff up for a change, instead of using a plasma cutter.